Welcome to our third part of this tutorial. Today I will show you how to create one of the formats that you have on our TikTok account, okay? Because as you can see, there are different formats. You can film, for example, the computer, you can film your phone, which is the phone format, and one of this most easiest is this format where you have the screen divided into two parts. The first part, for example, where you are sleeping, you have money count, you have the chart which is moving. You can do it like in this format, you can do it in this way. So actually it's the same concept. Your money are working for you while you are sleeping. Okay, so you can simply choose one of the on one of the modes that you like and then replicate them. One important thing, guys, because I see that people are trying to replicate, but they are do different stuff. So make sure to do almost the same. I mean, it's okay that you are not like this guy. It's okay that you are different, but you need to make sure that the money are edited in this way. The chart is perfectly made in this way. So we are in the middle. We have the indicator name put here, so try to make as similar as possible, and today I'm gonna show you how. In my case, I'm using CapCut, guys, so this is also one suggestion. Don't edit from your phone. Try to download CapCut or InShot or any other editing app you are using on your computer and edit them directly from your computer. It will be much more easier. You'll be able to make much more videos, and actually that will be great. So in this case, for example, we are gonna make something like this. So I will show you the video that I did. It was one of the videos made by me. So we have here like me sleeping and the chart is going up. So you need to do something similar. Okay, so how to do it? Now let's cancel all this and let's start from the beginning. First of all, you need to make some kind of video like this, okay, where you are like sleeping. Let me put it here. Okay, so you are sleeping. Perfect. You put the camera and you make it like I don't know, in this case I filmed almost 1 minute. That's great. For now we don't need it. And then you need to record your you need to make a screen recording of the chart moving. In this case, how you do it? Let's go to our trading view. Here we are on the trading view. Okay, here we have our chart. So in this case I used the this buy signal, which is exactly this one, okay, and I put the replay mode to make sure that the price is perfectly popping up exactly where I need it. Okay, so how you do it? In the previous video I show you how to access to this section. So once you are here, you need to double click on this side, because if you double click, the price will be like it will be perfectly matching the chart. Okay, then you need to go here, select bar, you go like somewhere here. To make sure, just double click again. Okay, and then here let's put it like 7 per, it will be faster. You need to play, of course you need to put like screen recording exactly like I'm doing in this case. And here important, put the screen recording for all your screen, okay, not just this side but for all the screen. Then I will show you how to cut it. And then you click to play. You click play, bam, we have our price, which is going up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, somewhere like here. Maybe for this kind of content, to make it longer, like between 10 and 15 seconds, you can put it even 5x. Let's go back again somewhere here, maybe even 3x. Okay, that's great. And let's start. You see that now the price is not moving so fast. That's perfect. This is what we want. We want the price moving quite slowly, so we have the time to make a normal video. When you see that there is the sell idea, perfect. You can stop. You stop the screen recording. You upload it in your editing app, and then you have something like this. So what you do right now? First of all, you put the screen here. You need to, of course, put the screen mode not like original, because original you will have this full screen. You need to go here and select 9:16, exactly the TikTok mode. Then you make it bigger and you go to the part that we need. So in this case, it's somewhere like here. Okay, in this example, I also use the TP tool. So you can use something like this, of course, also. Then I go back, I go back, I go back. Okay, I see that this is somewhere from here. Perfect, this is what we need. So as you can see, I need just the last part. That's okay. Let's go back again. Let's make it again like bigger, somewhere here. Better to hide this replay mode. Okay, so put it somewhere like here and make sure it's in the middle. Then we move our video above, because it should be like on the upper side. I move it somewhere here. I check the side where I'm sleeping. Okay, great. I move back. Great. Now we have the chart which is going up, and if I click play, we see that it's going perfectly up. I can also like adjust it to make it, for example, a little bit bigger, to go down. Better to cover all this toolbar section. We can do, for example, something like this, or maybe to cover the replay mode. In this case, I will try to make yeah, I guess here it's perfect. I maybe can go up here. Okay, great. So we have our part of the video. I delete this side, so now we have like all this better to make it a little bit. Okay, now it's perfect. I go back, and of course also I need to record, I need to make the screen recording of the price here moving, like in this case. How you do it? Let's go back to our trading view. So in this case, once you have filmed the price going up, you need to do the same, but with the price moving also. So in this case, since this is a buy signal, you need to click buy. You can set to 1000 here, click buy. As you can see, you have here the price, but in this case, let's go back again because we need to film it from the beginning. Okay, let's click buy again. Okay, great. So we have here the price. Now you don't need to double click here again, because if you double click, this section will start to go up and down, up and down. Okay, so in this case you can like move it. Perfect. You can screen record only just this side, like exactly how I did in this video, because I screen recorded just like the side. You don't need to screen record all the screen, I mean. Okay, and then you again click to play. So in this case we will see the price moving, and especially we need when it starts to pump. Boom. Okay, we have the price moving, we had the money that's starting to go up. Just wait for, I don't know, 5-10 seconds, and once it's done, you click stop, you stop the video and you upload it. So you should have something like this. Okay, now we need to make it match. So when I have the price that is started to pump, I need to make sure that in my case the price is going in the same direction. Now how I cut all this white section? We need to go here to cut. You move it in this case here, you move it here. Okay, go down, confirm, and you set it, for example, here. But as you can see, I didn't cut this white like higher section. Why? Because on CapCut I cannot go lower. Okay, this is the maximum I can cut. It's not a problem, because now what we need to do is to go to mascara. In my case is mascara, depends on the language you have here. You click to add the mask division, you do like this. Great, and you have perfect the square of your price. Let's remove the audio from both of this, because we need to remove the audio. Okay, so as you can see here, the price is going up almost immediately. So in my case, since I started to record this part, like which is here before, I need to make sure that it's going up almost immediately. So we can go somewhere here. Okay, let me check. Boom. Okay, now it's like something really similar, because it's plus 3000. We are here, so it's okay. And then bam, it goes plus 40k perfectly, exactly when the price starting to go up. So this is what I wanted. But in this case, as you can see, I screen recorded, it was 10x the movement, so it's really fast. I don't need it fast. So if you have already recorded fast, no problem, you can go here, you go to speed, and you make it a little bit slower. So in this case, you will have the price moving on the speed that you need. We have something like this, bam. Once we have this idea created, perfect. Now here you can cut. You don't need all of this. But this video is 5 seconds long. We want to make it like longer, for example, I don't know, 10 seconds, 8 seconds. So let's make it slower. Let's adjust it. So here, guys, you simply need to play with the tool, okay? There is no specific rule. It's something just to use your logic. If you have recorded and you see that it's too short, just make it longer. Bam, you have the price moving, 8 seconds, nice. Now you need to add the video. Which video you need to add? In this case, you need to add the sound of the person that is sleeping. If we click here, so we need to use some kind of signal like this. We need to use this sound. Great. How you can use it? You don't need to go to YouTube to download to find something like this. I normally just, for example, if I'm editing from my computer, I copy the link of this TikTok account. I send it to my, how can I say, Telegram, where I can simply open it from my phone, because I need to open from my phone, and then I simply screen record the sound from my phone. I screen record it, I send it to my computer again, and then here I go to import, extract audio from the video that I screen recorded, and then I have here the audio. Okay, so you see that there is this first part where I screen recorded. It was from other video, so I simply need to cut the part that I don't need, and let's try. Okay, great, guys. Now we have the audio, we have perfectly matching with the video. We cut it, and the last thing to do is to add the name. In this case, go to text, add text. Don't add any different like strange font. Use the standard font of CapCut. Here we simply write using Gains Algo, or better, using Gains Algo. Boom. You can put here, okay, this one somewhere in the middle, and let's check. Okay, great. We have our text. I didn't create anything. I used the same sound. I used the same concept of the chart. There is me sleeping. So great. This is a perfect video that we can now download, and then we can use it for to upload, to send to the guys, wait for it to be approved, and actually that's all. So here, make sure that the text also is perfectly matching until the end. So guys, that's all. This is how create the video format of you sleeping or doing something with the money count, with the chart. You can choose if put here the trading, the TP or stop loss tool, or without. So the idea is to show that our signals are working while we are sleeping. So I hope this video was useful, and then let's proceed and see you in the next video with another tutorial.